dusty road where my questions grow, with a heart that's hurt but it won't let go. I hear a whisper in the midnight air. Tenaku, tell me, do you still care? I'm calling through the pain tonight. Hear my heart, hear my cry, hear my fight. If love still lives in your soul somewhere, Tenaku, come find me. I'm waiting there. I'm your daughter, wipe away my tears. Born in a room where the silence cried, no father's name, no arms beside. Shame fell heavy on my mother's face, so she left me at a hidden place. Midnight shadows, cold doorsteps stone. She walked away, but I wasn't alone. A broken love in a child's first breath, bound together by life and death. Calling through the pain tonight. Hear my heart, hear my cry, hear my fight. If love still lives in your soul somewhere, Tenaku, come find me. I'm waiting there. Tenaku, I'm calling through the pain. Searching for you everywhere. They said you live in a village town where the church bells sing and the sun goes down. I walked inside with hope in my eyes, scanning faces, fighting cries. Every woman that passed my sight could have been my mother, holding me tight. Church bells ringing, tears on the floor. I stood alone at the open door. If love still lives in your heart today, Tenaku, please don't turn away. If you hear this pain inside my soul, come and make my broken heart whole. One embrace and the past won't win. Let my life and yours begin.